There's a myriad of ways to introduce users to Custom Cutter. For this situation, I'll be starting from box, so we'll just begin working one of our edges, just cutting in, creating some cuts. Nothing complex, just using box, making our cuts. And here we are with just a simple little complex cut formation. I am going to just draw a box around this, cut it out, and then press Y. Y is one of the only types of operations that once used will change you after use into a custom cutter. So now while we're back inside of cut, we are now inside of the cutter type of custom. And so what this means is that if we were to just draw a shape, we're basically drawing a custom cutter. So I'm going to hold shift in order to draw this proportionally, but stay away from the invisible lines that can cause it to butterfly. And I'm just going to left mouse and right click in order to freeze this, like so. And we'll just rotate the shape, which it seems to have got a little odd there, but we're fine. And now that we have it positioned where we want, maybe rotate it one more time, 180 degrees. And I think this is actually due to our orientation in this location. Let's see if we can actually change it on the fly, and we can. So here we've changed our orientation so it's no longer going to get all crazy whenever we transform it. And with this position to this exact view, we can just click and apply, and we force this over this edge via laser cut. And that's how easy it is to just remove an area and then just repeat it at an alternate angle. In fact, we'll just draw the shape here. After getting our view aligned kind of cat-a-corner, we can look at it through a see-through and see that we're kind of looking at a 3/4 view of this cube in orthographic. So I'm just going to draw my custom cutter, but I'm going to hold shift to get it proportional. While holding left click, I will also right click in order to pause, and we'll just rotate this as needed. Scale it with S, press G to transform. And keep in mind that because I started drawing this off of the mesh, this is a view aligned cut, as you can see in the top bar with view being indicated. And if we just position this exactly where we need, press spacebar, we performed a cut that actually in this case didn't actually go all the way through. So if we just move this shape exactly where we wanted it, this is the cut that I was actually going for. Somehow it ended up getting repositioned. But in cases where these sort of things happen, that's when you possibly want to press Q, go to mod scroll, roll the wheel backwards, and scroll through possible booleans that you have in your scene in order to find the ones that you want to troubleshoot. So to show that again, I'll press Q, go to mod scroll toggle, roll the wheel backwards in order to scroll through the various booleans in my scene, and I can actually access the previous boolean using HardOps in order to quickly modify it in the event that something does go awry. So while it wasn't part of the demonstration, it is important to talk about the troubleshooting process and how you can fix things whenever calamities do occur, because that's an aspect we care about as well.